How's everybody doing today? It's Sterling Smith from Loot and Booty Barbecue. We're back with Green Mountain Grills and my buddy, Andy Allen from Rooftop Barbecue. He's going to show us an awesome recipe that he makes on his Green Mountain Grill.
We're doing a berry cheesecake cobbler. Let's do it.
Show us how you put it together, Andy.
All right, so first we got here is mixed berries. So what we're going to do is just pour in this pan here. All right, and then we have cream cheese chunks. Some of these little pieces of cream cheese.
We're going to get cream cheese all around that,
all
so
around.
as it melts, it's going to
Yeah, and it's going to actually mix in with the cake mix there and make it nice and creamy. All right, so now that we have our berries studded with our cream cheese, we're going to throw our yellow cake mix on top of that.
Pretty easy. It looks like you have pretty much 4 ingredients. You're going to put them all together, get them on the smoker, and let the smoker do the work, right?
Exactly. You're going to get a little bit of smoke flavor coming off the GMG. It's going to be great. Got our salted butter. And we have about 1/4 inch slices here. All right.
So what temperature are you going to put this on in the Green Mountain Grill?
We're going to do about 350 for about an hour.
Perfect. Yeah, let's get it on. So Andy, we've had this berry cheesecake cobbler on for about an hour.
Yeah.
350 degrees. And you had one pre-made?
Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah. The great thing about this is you could cook this in anything. We chose to do a cast iron pan earlier.
You know what we need to do? Taste test.
All right, let's do it.
Oh man, this looks amazing. Thank you, Andy, for coming out and doing a video with me. You know the Green Mountain Grill
Does it every time?
does it every time, baby. Cheers. Oh, that's delicious.